Nothing but blue skies today, y'all. No clouds. I'm sorry, there is one little one right there. So we just planted yesterday. If y'all missed that video, I'll link it down below. We gotta get some more of the white fencing because we put this up to keep the chickens from getting in there and scratching up the seeds, because over here we have seeds and over there. All of these plants are going in grow bags, but it started getting dark on us last night, so I didn't have time to finish those. And I also have more grow bags coming. I ordered some this morning. I was hoping they could get here tomorrow, but it's gonna be the next day, but that's okay. It's definitely bigger this year. Like last year, I think it was just the size of this part right here. Now we have all the pumpkins and stuff on that side. Lowe's didn't have any zucchini plants or yellow summer squash. So when we go to the farmer's market, which we might get to go this afternoon, we're gonna see if they have some squash plants, because I would like to put some in grow bags. Last year, that one zucchini plant was all we had that did really, really good. We got a few yellow summer squash, but most of those plants, those little, what are they called? Squash, the little boar bug things, they destroyed all the other squash plants, our cantaloupe plants, our watermelon plants. I'm surprised we got any pumpkins. Apparently they didn't like pumpkins, but we still only got how many? 2 or 3? I'm watching those chickens. They're getting closer over this way. So this is the old border. You know what? I'm gonna put this border around over here in spots where the fence is not, so they can't get in. Maybe they won't jump over that. I don't think they will. I wonder where that other board is, the other side to it. Is this heavy? I'm sure it's very heavy. Oh yes, it's very heavy. Titus, Jacob, or Tyler, none of them are here right now, but as soon as one of them gets here, we'll break that apart and bring it over here, because I think one section of it will go right there to close that part up, and the other part can go right there. And I don't think the chickens will try to go over that. We got some more flowers when we were at Lowe's too. These 3 right here. I wonder if I can fit one right here with my lantern. Let's see, because there's 2 hooks on here. Oh, nah, my lantern kind of squishes it a little bit. I really like the lantern hanging there. This one might work. It goes down a little farther. Let me just see how it would look hanging on this part. Wonder now if my lantern can go right here. Perfect, that's what we'll do right there. And I think it'll still get plenty of sunlight right there. Okay, so that's where that one will go. And then these 2 will hang up once he changes those screws up there for me. This is how I carry this stuff, y'all. I'll give it a piggyback ride. It's much easier.
I'll help you.
Okay, thanks. They have some sweet banana, golden bell peppers, Park's Whopper, tomatoes, hot banana. We got banana from Lowe's. Hungarian hot wax peppers. Those are the ones we grew last year, and they weren't ever very hot, you know. They were good though. They just weren't hot. These are Better Boy tomatoes. They got cayenne pepper. What is this? Oh, charcoal. And hickory wood. I smell some boiled peanuts, don't you?
Peanuts, yeah.
Habanero. Mostly just peppers and tomatoes. Oh, there's eggplant. What are those? Cucumbers?
Burpless? What does that mean?
Make you no burps, no indigestion.
What's that now? I ought to make pootless beans. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have some pootless beans tonight with cornbread.
What is this down here? Tabasco peppers, okay. We planted Tabasco the year before last. Remember when we just did grow bags? Chow chow, hot pickled okra.
Let's get some of that.
Yeah, that'd be good with some beans. Also, I think I want some of this scuppernong jelly, like muscadine.
What are you talking about?
I made muscadine jelly last year, or the year before, remember?
I think you did the apple.
I did apple and muscadine. Georgia blueberries. Those are some pretty blackberries. They always try to get you with these cakes over here now.
They look good.
Strawberry, red velvet, German chocolate, Italian cream, blue raspberries. Yes, the kids always want those. Pickled watermelon rind. My mama used to get that a lot at a restaurant that we went to at the salad bar. Squash pickles. Vidalia onion summer salad.
Oh,
Pickled
there's
beet
eggs.
Yeah. Pickled baby beets.
Oh, get these. These right here, I don't think they make these in the pootless version either.
No, I don't.
Yes, sir. Do you make these in the pootless? This is a vegetable soup base.
Chocolate heaven. Flourless chocolate cake. Banana bread. Oh yeah, don't we forget Jonah wants some of that ghost pepper cheese they have here, wherever it is.
That stuff's good.
Oh yeah, that smells good.
You wanna get that one?
Yeah, let's get one of those. Now, what is this scent?
This is
It don't say the scent, because this is a multi-surface cleaner in that. They also have it in laundry detergent. It's called Sweet Grace. Dish soap. Apple cider donuts. I know it's not fall, but they're good, y'all. Where? Oh, here it is. Ghost pepper cheese. We're back home from the farmer's market. We didn't get a lot this time. We just mostly were, wanting to check out their plants, and I wanted to see if they had any squash plants already happening, but they didn't. So we did get a few of our favorite things and some new things to try. This ghost pepper cheese, Jonah absolutely loves this. It's not extremely spicy to us, but I mean, we like spicy stuff, so if you don't like spicy stuff, it probably would be spicy. And the twists, Manly's talking about those. They love these blue raspberry twists. Oh, I got these little teas. They already took their papers off of them, but it's the little bubble tea things. We got a mango passion fruit one. Sissy's was a strawberry lemonade. Jonah already drank his. It was a blueberry pomegranate, I think. We got some corn, some scumpernong jelly. These are if you don't know what scumpernongs are, they're kind of like muscadines, but it's the green, or some people call them white, version of muscadines. They're scumpernongs. We got hot pickled okra, some salsa, 2 big jars of this vegetable soup base. I just wanted to get those. German chocolate cake. He already taste tested. He said it was good. Apple cider donuts. We've showed y'all these from there before. They are amazing. Manly already taste tested one of those. And we got these 3 packs of dessert shells. I have some strawberries already here. We're gonna try to make a copycat of Longhorn's strawberry shortcake dessert, but mini ones. And I got some of this Sweet Grace multi-surface cleaner, and we got 2 of the little scent sachet things. I put one in the bathroom and one in the laundry room. This stuff smells really, really good. I'd never seen it in there before. It says Bridgewater Candle Company. I mean, it smells great. Right when we walked over there, I was like, what is smelling good? It was this stuff. Well, all the products of this. That's all we got this time. We already had supper. It was pizza night tonight. Pizza night is on random days of the week now around here. I forgot about Titus's pickled baby beets. He had those in the refrigerator. Let's try to make some strawberry shortcakes like Longhorn. Of course, this isn't going to be exactly like theirs. I tried to search for a copycat recipe online. Couldn't find one anywhere. Like, there's no copycat recipes for it. If y'all know of one, let me know. But in their description, it just says that it's the shortcake with strawberry jam and a vanilla whipped cream. And then just strawberries with, like, the liquid strawberry sauce. We're going to make that by just adding some sugar to some strawberries. I'm going to slice some up here in a minute. I have these strawberry preserves. I was looking to see if I had a different kind, though. The kind that they use, we've had this dessert a few times. The kind that they use is a much lighter color than this. I would actually go to Longhorn just to order a piece of that strawberry shortcake. And it's big enough for like 2 people to share. They're huge pieces. But that's how good they are. I would totally go there just to get a piece of the strawberry shortcake. I mean, this might look lighter once we put the whipped cream on top, because they're layers. It's like the shortcake, the jam, the whipped cream, shortcake, jam, whipped cream, and then strawberries on top. There's just 3 layer. We're just gonna do like 2 of these little shortcake things per one, the ones that we're making. I was looking to see though, because normally we have lots of strawberry jam and preserves and stuff around here.
Yeah, because Daddy likes preserves.
Yeah, he likes all kind of preserves, doesn't he? We usually have many to choose from. Oh, I found some olives. I was looking for olives the other day. So we're just gonna hull them, and then we'll slice them. Their shortcake is the thing I wanted the recipe for mainly, because the rest of it's pretty much, you know, strawberry jam, vanilla whipped cream. But the shortcake is so good and moist, and it's definitely, you know, not exactly like these. These look more yellow. You like strawberry shortcake? Yeah?
Because it looks like donuts.
Oh, because these look like donuts. So all we're gonna do is put a little sugar on there, stir these up, and let them sit over here while we make the whipped cream. The sugar will start pulling out the juices from the strawberries. Taste tester. So we've got heavy cream in there, and the vanilla, and since we're putting vanilla, I probably put about 2.5 teaspoons in there. I'm just gonna put a little bit of sugar because that vanilla is gonna sweeten it some itself. So we won't need much sugar in there, just a little bit. And that's it. Oh, we might want to plug it up. We'll start with the I couldn't find any jam or jelly, so we're just gonna go with preserves. I'm just gonna fill the little dessert shell with the preserves. Yeah, it's not as dark once you get it spread out. I think it'll be looking pretty close to theirs. Of course, they don't use these dessert shells. They have like a real, it's a square cut cake. But did I tell y'all I asked the lady? I asked a waitress one time how they made them. She said she didn't know because they don't make them there. I guess they come to them already made, and I think all they do is put the strawberry sauce on top. And you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, they might do like a cooked strawberry sauce. We're just gonna go with what we did there, but I think they might do a cooked one because it's a really dark strawberry syrup
My name is Herbert.
with the strawberries. So now we'll put some whipped cream. Okay, the last two. I'm just going to put this in the refrigerator for just a little bit while we wait for the strawberries to finish getting ready. That is very close to the way theirs is. The cake, of course, is not there. I don't know, we gotta figure out how they make their cake. But with the strawberry preserves on there, the whipped cream, that is all, that's just about it. Maybe tomorrow it would be even better because the cake is gonna soak up some of the moisture from the preserves and everything. But yeah, that's almost it. If we can figure out their cake, we would have it, and it would be great too, y'all, because one piece of their cake is like $10. I think we made all of these for maybe $10 or $11. So let's figure out that cake recipe.